So this is going to be a bit of a long one, but we've finally finished this Roadster Coupe, which I collected around COVID time actually, from a guy that was quite poorly, and he'd been messing around. He'd had a car a long time, but he'd been messing around with it as part of his therapy, I suppose, to get well. Something to give him, something for him to do while he was recovering. But then he gave up on it, and it's a long-standing customer of mine, so he contacted me and asked me if I wanted to take it on. And subsequently, it's took quite a long time because I've done a bit, pushed it to the one side, done a bit, pushed it to one side, other jobs have got in the way, and then unfortunately I've been seriously ill, so it got put back again for about a year, but now we've finally got it finished. This is a bit of a long one, but it's more for potential new owners of this car. It's now up for sale, and I was going to keep it. It was for me originally. I thought I'd keep it, but I've got too many, and I just enjoy the process of fixing them up, to be honest with you. I like rescuing them. I like the process of doing them up. I go far too far, really, but that's to the new owner's benefit, not particularly mine. But I enjoy doing that. So take a look at the video, skip through the bits you want to skip through, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching. It's in very good condition. We've taken the under trays off just so we can check condition of the brake pipes, etc. I've snapped a few of these, so we're going to have to put those back on. We'll get it cleaned and wax oiled, and yeah, it's in excellent condition, really. Remembering that the car is 17 years old. A bit of surface rust there, we'll treat that. Going to put a new condenser on it. I think it's okay, but it has gone a little bit, so better safe than sorry. Yeah, we're also in the process of recommissioning this Roadster that stood for a while. Say we're just going through this. We've had all the wheels repowder coated. We've put new pins on with the snapped off when we've took that off. We've got some suspension pods to put on the front. Obviously we're going to treat all of this under here. It's had a new sump, all new brakes, brake drums, the front disc to do, and the hubs and the springs. So this one's all restored now. We've put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new inserts and rebuilt them all. It's only had 2 of the originals left in and they were broke. And there were none of the original screws were with the car. They'd used body panel screws, which is why they were all broke. God knows how that happens, but there you go, it does. Experts for you. Right, it's time to finish this Roadster Coupe that I've been sat on my ramp for forever. I've replaced everything pretty much. Not that it was in bad condition in the first place, which is why I've gone to this extent. It was really nice in the first place. It had just been stood a long time because the previous owner had the big C. Thankfully he survived, but he had to get rid of the car. Couldn't get in and out anymore. So anyway, today is under tray day, so we're going to put the under trays back on. And the inner wheel arches, and then it's just got a few little imperfections on the bodywork which I need to amend. Not on any of the metalwork, just on the plastic panels, stone chips, etc. All new brakes, wheels powder coated, new suspension, new AC rad, new AC flexi pipe, disc pads, ball joints, everything really. There'll be a comprehensive list and the car will be up for sale soon if anyone's interested. Right, we're in the final stages of finishing off this low mileage Roadster Coupe. It's had pretty much not a nut and bolt restoration, but it didn't need it, but we've really gone to town on it. You'll see that in the other videos. We're now just on to the final bit, which is just doing any marks on the bodywork. I want to keep it as original as possible, so we're just going to do local repairs and a few smart repairs. You know, there's just a few hanger rest scuff there, a couple of chips on the bonnet, and nothing major. What to do? I think there's another mark on this wing here somewhere, tiny mark. Don't know whether you can see it. There it is. Oh yeah, and there. There's something that's been rubbing on it. But that's about it. Oh, a little scratch on this back corner. So we're going to blow all those in. Touch anything up. We're just in the process. We're going to give it a good clay bar in. So we've already done the bonnet. We're going to clay bar it, compound it, and then do all these little repairs. That way the paint will blend in a lot better and it'll look nice. Then it'll be up for sale. Excuse the state of my workshop. We're in a bit of a sort out at the moment. If anyone's interested in it, it will be up for sale soon. Okay, right, we are back with the Roadster. Not done a lot of videos up until this point. of the bodywork preparation. So the bodywork's in excellent condition. Unfortunately, for the age of the car, it's had a few little scuffs and knocks, so trying to keep it as original as possible. They suffer a lot of stone chips here. This had a little scuff here, so we've done really tight blowing just here, and then you can see it fades away there. It's got to be polished yet. There's a little scuff. Ooh. There's a little scuff on here somewhere as well, just there. You can just see a bit of paint where I've blown it in there. So it's been, the whole car's been clay barred, then compounded, then we've done the blow-ins. This one, when we've just done the blow-in, we've just nipped the top of it off now, and we'll polish it and compound it back in, so it's all nice. So near that where it's blowing, you can just see there where the transfer of the fade out goes in, and polishing, and hopefully you won't be able to see it. Same with the back wings, they suffer terribly with stone chips here, as I'm sure you're aware if you're a Roadster person. So we've just done that and blown that back over, and there's a little scuff again. They often get caught on this corner here, which this one had a little scuff there, so we've just done that. And the same this side, stone chips there, faded out to there. We'll now compound it all in, make sure it's all blended as perfect as it can be. Give the whole car one final quick compound, and then polish it with ceramic wax. And it's just the final detailing, and then it can go to its new owner, whoever wants it. If you're interested, contact me. See the video for all the mechanical work that it's had done to it, and all the work underneath. It's as nice underneath as it is on top. Just so you know the daft lengths I go to in prepping a car. I clean and paint all the screws and everything before they go back on.